Hey there, how you doing? Welcome back to Oddie's Airsoft. Real quick review / spotlight this time. Us Airsofters, we love to customise things, whether it's just for the sake of it, to match a certain loadout, to match, a certain terrain we're going to be playing in. And here's another option for you. Hydrographic transfer service. I'm not sure if any of you out there have heard this, but I believe that Krylon paint is going to be taken off the market because it contains some nasty chemicals that the EU doesn't like. Hey, what's new? So, if you've got some Krylon at home, great. If you don't, maybe if you can find some stock, then by all means do acquire some. But I really think you should have a look at this hydrographic transfer system. I have used it in the past. I've used it on some fishing tackle. And I do know that it's a very, very robust finish, and it does last. Paint can tend to, rub off in time. I found this to be a very, very robust finished over time. So I've got a couple of sample patterns here. This one here is sort of akin to CAD-PAT. It's not quite there, but you see what I'm talking about. There's a generic woodland DPM type thing. And this one here is somewhat akin to Desert Marpat. It's not exactly that, but you get the idea. So, just so you know how I got these done. This is a standard G&G high cap. Basically, I unscrewed the base plate, took it off, took the innards out, and I basically brought the shell into Main Irish Airsoft, who are at the moment the only airsoft retailer who are providing this service. Brought in the shells. A couple of days later, had them back, all camoed, transferred very nicely indeed. It really is a very nice finish, and I don't think you're going to have any problems with it coming off unless you're really manhandling them. Now, okay, I have magazines here. You can actually transfer anything you want, whether it's your rifle, your sights. It doesn't have to be a metal mag. You could easily do this on P-mags or some of the other plastic mags that are out there on the market. It's easier if you do take the innards out of your magazine and just send in the shell. But the service is there. If you want to send in your entire AEG, they'll do it that way, but it is more expensive than if you were to disassemble your AEG into its component parts first. So I've shown you 3 patterns here. I do know that there are patterns such as ACU, which is actually UCP, incorrectly named, multicam, there is Marpat, and there's a few other patterns available as well. I know it doesn't list them all on the website, but go in and have a look at the samples that are in store. Another very nice one actually is the carbon fibre effect. You can get it either in white or black, and it really does look epic, especially on pistols. So check it out if you're in the market for customizing some of your kit. Really, really nice service. As I say, it's very robust, it will last you. So check it out. Goodbye from Oddie's Airsoft.